Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to discuss how getting certified in cybersecurity can benefit your career. With cyber threats on the rise, companies need skilled professionals to protect their systems. A cybersecurity certificate can make you stand out. Cybersecurity is a dynamic field requiring continuous training. Certifications help you stay current on the latest technologies and approaches. There are various certifications like CISSP, CompTIA Security Plus, CEH, etc. Choose one aligned with your goals. A certificate enhances your credibility and job prospects. It shows your commitment to the profession. Many roles are available, like security analyst, engineer, consultant, across industries like tech, healthcare, or government. Build in-demand skills like networking, programming, risk management, and security assessment. Boot camps provide hands-on training. When job hunting, highlight certifications up front. Demonstrate technical expertise and communication skills in interviews. With rising cyber threats, certified professionals are needed more than ever. Consider a cybersecurity program like InterCoast College's to boost your career. Before we wrap up, I want to give you a direct path to becoming a part of the solution to cyber threats. If you're ready to take the next step and gain the knowledge and skills that can help you secure a rewarding career in cybersecurity, check out InterCoast College's Cybersecurity Specialist training program. The program is designed to equip you with hands-on experience and the qualifications you need to succeed in this field. Their comprehensive curriculum covers everything from basic security principles to advanced defensive and offensive cybersecurity techniques. Just click the link in the description to learn more about the program and how you can get started. InterCoast College is committed to providing a learning platform that will help you make an immediate impact in your career upon graduation. Don't wait to take this important steps towards securing your future in a high-demand industry. Check out the program now and see where a certification in cybersecurity can take you. Remember, investing in your education is investing in your future. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see some of you become the cybersecurity experts of tomorrow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who might also be interested in a career in cybersecurity. Until next time, stay secure.